Hey, what's up, guys? Another day, another dollar, and today we're doing something different. Today we won't be following along with the JavaScript course today. Rather, we're going to be doing a front-end mentor challenge. So, um, yeah, I'm gonna try to do this challenge right now in one sitting, and basically we're gonna do this challenge, and then we're gonna continue with the JavaScript course. So make sure to like, comment, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you also follow me. All links in the description. And without further ado, let's start this. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna need this. Okay, make sure we are recording. Yes. Okay. So I have three. So I have 300 points on front end mentor. Uh, this is this is my GitHub. You guys can follow me on my GitHub, links in the description. And yeah, okay, so let's start doing this. Okay, so first we're gonna open this with live server like this. We're gonna remove uh we're gonna remove this. So let's see. First we're gonna add a we're gonna add us we're gonna add a style.css, and also we're gonna add a script.js. Okay, and then we're gonna get rid of this. Gonna link style.css, and down here we're gonna link the script. So source script.js like that. Then here body, gonna display flex. Just let's zoom in a bit. Justify content center, align item center. I can even see this good. Hope I'm not covering anything. Like this, min height, 100 view height. There we go. And now let's see the design. So we're gonna change the flex direction to column, which doesn't change anything as of now. So we're gonna so this I'm thinking these three things, these three, actually no, first this is gonna be just its own element. So we're gonna go img images images logo.svg like that. Then we are going to, okay, maybe not, should I remove this? Okay, let's see. And then we do have a padding, it seems. Do have some sort of padding, maybe. We do have a, here we have a padding top, maybe of 100 pixels. Let's see. Yeah, something like that. Okay, let's see the mobile design though. Yeah, same thing. Okay, so we do have that padding right there, and then um we are launching soon. subscribe and get notified, and then we have the we're launching soon. Subscribe and get notified div. I'm gonna get this div right here, maybe class uh launching div, something like that. Subscribe and get notified. Okay, so this is supposed to be a button. This is supposed to be a button like this. So we are launching soon. It's going to be this is going to be another div, and then I'm gonna have input. And what does it say? Your email address with 3 dots. It says placeholder your email address 123. There we go. Hold up. Okay, my bad guys, I had to sneeze. Back to this. Uh okay. Class no notify me button. I have only one input field on the thing, so I don't know if this should be a div as well. Should this be a div as well? Yeah, I think this should be a div as well. Div. So I'm gonna name it email div. I'm gonna say uh launching text div. Okay. So I'm gonna give everything a gap, let's say 40 pixels. Let's see. Okay, it seems okay. So now this we're launching soon. So let's do it in H1. We're launching soon. There we go. So in the launching div, we're going to get this. We're going to get this. We're going to paste it here like that. And this we're gonna put it in a p element. Nope. Cut, paste. Let's see. Subscribe to and get notified. It's not launching div. Oh, okay. It needs to be launching text. Launching text div. We're gonna copy this again. I'm gonna paste it. There we go. And okay, we're gonna do this margin 0, padding 0. So we get to remove everything, all default paddings and margins. So yeah, style guide. Let's go to the style guide. Colors. So we need a color for this. Okay, so this. I think that's that. So H1 So we're gonna have a span like right here as well. Class, we are launching. Okay, so let's like put this on a new line. 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 Like this. And class soon. Okay. So for we are launching, it's gonna be color. Color is gonna be this color. Font weight is going to be like, let's say 100. And then for soon, for class for soon is gonna be font weight 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 weight. Actually, I don't think we need to change it. It's just like that. Okay, for subscribing and get notified, this is too big. Okay, wait. That was because of that. Okay, so launching text div. Launching text div. I'm gonna give it a gap of how much? Let's say like 20 pixels. Okay, maybe a little less, 15 pixels. Okay, now the H1, the so okay, so let's go here. The H1 needs to be bigger, a bigger font, I think, or no. Yeah, definitely bigger. Definitely bigger. Font size 40 pixels. Okay, let's check it like this. Font size 30 pixels. 40 pixels. Or 50. Okay, let's check. Let's check the design. Oops. Wait, what am I doing? Boom, boom. Open this like this. Okay, I think that's fine. I think that's fine. So subscribe to get notified. Okay, let's add the font. So the font is Libre Google Fonts. So the font is called Libre Franklin. Get font. Remove Poppins. Let's get this. Get font. Get embed code. Like this. And then we're gonna paste it here like this. Then we're gonna go here. We're gonna go to the CSS, and up here, font family. What was it? Libre Franklin. Libre Franklin with a fallback of Arial. There we go, that looks nice. Let's check the design again. Close the script for now, don't need it right now. Okay, so I think that's subscribing, get notified. I think that needs a little bit of a change up. Is the only P element right now. Let's see. So I'm gonna do class sub and noti, and I'm gonna go down here sub and noti, and we're gonna do font weight 100, something like that. Yeah, it's a little border, maybe 200. Okay, something like that. Okay, now we are at launching div. We need a gap of maybe 20 pixels, maybe. Okay, let's see. Okay, maybe a little more, maybe wait, 30. Okay, I think that looks okay. Okay, now let's make the what you call it, the input field. Let's style the input field. So input border. I don't even know what color this is supposed to be. Is it this blue? I think. Yeah. Border 1 pixel solid. This padding, let's say 10 pixels, or maybe more. Okay. Oh, it's more. 15, 20. Border radius 20 pixels, maybe 40. Okay, something like that. And how is it so long? So we're just gonna say, if I give it a fixed width, it will not, let's say width 100%. Okay, width 80%. 100%. So that email div display flex, like that. Okay, I'm gonna give it a fixed width like 400 pixels, something like that. Okay, is it longer? I think 400 pixels should be good, I think. Okay, and then let's give it a gap of 20 pixels. That's too little. That's okay. No, it's actually good. It's actually good. So, okay, and then color. How to change place input element placeholder color CSS. That's what I say. Pseudo input placeholder. Let's see if this is gonna work. Input placeholder. Okay, there we go. There we go. Now the button. Now the button, which has a class of notify me button. So we're gonna give it padding top, padding 10 pixels, 40 pixels, something like that. Okay, even more 50 pixels. Is that enough? So border is none. Color is white. White. Background color is blue. This shade of blue. Background color is this. And then border radius is 40 pixels, I think. And it does have a little bit of a shadow, I think. Does have a little bit of a shadow from the looks of it, yes. Also, this should be font weight 500 pixel, 500, 600. Okay, and box shadow 0, 0, 10 pixels, RGBA 0, 0, 0, 0.5. Okay, that's a little too noticeable. Okay, I think that's fine. Let's see. I think that's fine. Okay, it's looking pretty nice as of now. Yeah, let's see the heuristics though. So the opacity becomes like lighter. Okay, so that notify me button hover opacity 0.7 no notify me button active opa opacity 0.5. And we're gonna transition opacity 0.2 seconds to get a smooth transition. We're also gonna do cursor pointer. Let's even do 0.3 seconds. Okay. So, okay. Next. So guys, I think we're just gonna get the design working right now. I don't know if we're gonna add any responsiveness. Maybe now just add the desktop design, and then we're gonna make it responsive later. That's what I'm thinking. So, okay. So next we got this. We got the image. Got the IMG images illustration. Okay. So it's kind of big. It's kind of big. We don't want it this big. So I think this is the only like image. So it's gonna be width, let's say 80%. Oops, no, it's not. Okay, it's not the only image. Okay. So what's this called? It's an illustration. So we're gonna give it a class of dashboard img dashboard img width 60%. It's gonna be 60% on. Okay, it's still too big. So the desktop design is, this is the whole thing. Okay, so it has to be like a little less as much as the email address and buttons. So we're gonna make it even smaller. Let's say 40%. Okay, there we go. There we go. So we're gonna save this. So, and on the bottom, we actually want the body. Let's give the body some padding, 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 bottom of 20 pixels maybe. Let's see. Okay, a little more, 40 pixels. Okay, something like that. This is already looking pretty nice. I would say so. If I do say so myself, I think this already looks pretty nice. I think. Okay, so now we need the icons. So we're gonna give this div class social icons div, and then we're gonna go to font awesome. We're going to, so Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We're going to get this, copy this, paste it here. Let's see. Okay, why is it not appearing? It's not appearing. Okay, wait. HTML. Okay, it's not appearing for some reason. Okay. Why is this SVG not appearing in the HTML? I think it's because your SVG is valid, so I think it's because of the width. Yeah, yeah, that's what I thought as well. So we're gonna give this a width. So show icons div SVG width 20 pixels or something. Okay, there we go. 20 pixels is a little too much though, so we're gonna bump that down to 10 pixels, I would say. 10 pixels, there we go. Okay, so let's get, now we need a Twitter icon. Copy and paste. Let's check now. Okay, it's very small though. 20 pixels. So the Facebook one is a lot bigger than the Twitter one for some reason. Okay, we're gonna change them manually, I guess. Let's go to Instagram. Copy this and then paste it here. Let's check. Okay, so the Facebook one is like quite bigger. Class FB icon. So FB icon width 10 pixels. Okay, let's like it. ZG. Okay, we're just gonna do FB icon Twitter icon Insta icon, and then we're just gonna do this. Gonna have it like that. So dot FB icon width 10 pixels, and then I think the other ones are good. So um social icons div, social icons div display flex. Okay, and now they're very tiny, so actually need to want divs like this, and divs like this, and div like this. Let's remove the empty spaces. So we got the Facebook one. So we're gonna do the Twitter one. This one's gonna be actually 20. And then the Insta one. So it's gonna be 20 as well. Okay, maybe not 20, maybe 15. And this one. Okay. This one maybe 17. Alright, I think that looks okay. Yep. Um 10 pixels. Okay, let's see. Okay. Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. Okay, so social icons div box shadow 0 10 pix 5 pixels HBA 0 0 0 0 0.2 0.3. So we're gonna give some padding of 5 pixels maybe. Okay, they're not. So I'm gonna give it a fixed width, 5 pixels, and a fixed height, 5 pixels. So 10 pixels, 10 pixels. Okay, let's go 20 then. And then we're gonna have display flex, justify content center, line of center. Okay, give it a little more. There we go. Border radius is 100%. There we go. And the color, we want this. Is there HSLA? I don't know. Okay, that works. Change the color of the SVG. So just inline current color. Fill. So the fill is going to be style is going to be this. Fill. Let's check it. Okay. This and this. We're just gonna social icons div hover color white. If you know, should fill fill white. Okay, so how do we do this? Mm, so over background, ground color, um, this we can do SVG, hover, hover, right, fill white. How to make the SVG color white? When I hover over the div, very gross. Want to suggest SVG was hovered? Correct. Div hover SVG, because div hover, because div hover SVG VG path fill white. Even cleaner. Okay, this. Okay, so okay, let's get this. Let's paste this. Okay, it does seem to work. Path, no need to touch path directly anymore. So icons div color h cell. Can I just do color white? Nope. I need this. So transition background color 0.3 seconds and fill 0.3 seconds. And cursor pointer. Okay, that looks pretty nice. Maybe make the gap a little bigger. Something like this, okay. Copy, right, P. Okay, so this is um the copyright P. So this is, let's open the design. Let's get the style guide, the color, here write p color like this, and it's like smaller. It's like, let's make this smaller. Font size like 15 pixels. Okay, even less, 10 pixels. Okay, I think that's a little too little, 12 pixels. Okay, I think that's okay. Okay, guys, so I think we made some progress with this. It looks nice. Then now we just have to add the features. What do we need to add? We need to add view the optimal layout, see hover focus states, receive an error message when the form is submitted, if input is empty, and yeah. So guys, we're going to finish this tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Um, Make sure to also follow me. All links in description. We're gonna finish this tomorrow. And yeah, have a good one, guys. See ya.